So I've got this pesky engine code, and I'm going to try and check it. You've probably seen this, but if you haven't, there's your high-tech tester. Just put one in A and one in B like so. Key off, of course. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but I've got one in each. Turn your key on. Okay, so now you want to check your code. So you get 3 12s at the start. 1, 1, 2. It's 12. 1, 1, 2. Should be one more of those. 1, 1, 2. And now your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So that's code 42. And don't forget to remove your high-tech tool there. You don't want to leave that in there. And put your cover on. So you just go to your book. I've got the service manual inside. I've got this other one out here. I don't like to get the service manual all covered in grease and oil. I keep it in the house and I reference it from in there. Anyway, so I use this little book here. There's your trouble codes. And find 42, which is right there. Let's see if I can focus that with this old BlackBerry. So there's your code 42, 4 flashes, a pause and 2 flashes, electronic spark timing, and then probably not going to be able to read that, but anyway, that's what it is. And you can find information. Usually it ends up, they say, being the electronic control module. So we shall see. So hunting around with this code 42, and I see these connectors here onto the distributor, and this connector, this white wire going down here is hooked up to another connector, here. And it doesn't look like it's hooked up to anything. Oh, maybe it is. Let me see. It is. Okay. So there's that connector, and then there's this one also coming off there. Not sure I can get in there, but it's not hooked up to anything. And what I'm doing is just kind of scanning around for any loose wires or fittings that could be causing this code 42, because the car runs great. And it doesn't make a lot of sense to me that all of a sudden I have a code 42. So anyway, we're hunting around. If anybody has any ideas if that second connector should go to something, feel free to comment and let me know what you think. It seems in the States that you can take like the ignition control module into an automotive store and they'll test it for you. But up here, they just don't do that kind of stuff. So I could start replacing parts. I really don't want to do that. And I have another distributor. And that's out of a small block Chevy, so maybe I can take the module out of there. I know it was running when I pulled it. So I'm not really sure what to do. But anyway. So I cleared the code and fiddled with a bunch of the clips on there and wiggled them, made sure they were tight and anything I could find. So we'll see what happens. We'll start it up and see. It's gone. Back. Still there. So I guess we'll have to move on to taking stuff apart, but I really don't think I want to do that until the winter time. I just want to drive the car, so we'll have more on this down the road later.